Following are the 8 limbs of yoga. They are namely Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and finally Samadhi. Let's see them all in details. Number 1. Yama. It is the first limb of yoga. It refers to moral principles one has to follow. The following are the moral principles: non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing or non-desire for others' possessions, celibacy, and finally non-possession. Number 2. Niyama. Second limb is Niyama. These are rules of good conduct one has to develop. They are as follows: purity, contentment, austerity, study of sacred text, and devotion to God. Number 3. Asana. In this stage, one has to practice a most comfortable posture that can be used for prolonged sitting meditation. Any posture that causes pain or restlessness should be avoided. One requirement of correct posture for sitting meditation is to keep chest, neck, and head erect. Choose your correct posture is crucial for comfortable sitting meditation. Number 4. Pranayama. After mastering the desired posture or asana, one has to start practicing the art of consciously controlling the breath, that is called pranayama. The pranayama is the control of breath. This is done in several ways, such as by inhaling and then suspending exhalation for a period, exhaling and then suspending inhaling for a period, by slowing the inhalation and exhalation, or by consciously changing the timing and length of breath, etc. Number 5. Pratyahara. In this stage, one has to withdraw one's attention towards senses and sensory objects and sensory experiences and shift their focus inward. It is not the process of losing the ability to hear, smell, and see and feel. Instead, it is consciously closing one's mind process to the sensory world. Number 6. Dharana. It is the 6th limb of yoga. It is process of holding one mind on to particular inner state, subject, or topic of one's mind. The mind is fixed on a mantra or one's breath or any part of the body or any place or an object one wants to observe or any idea in one's mind. Fixing the mind means one-pointed awareness without drifting the mind from one topic to another. In this stage, one observes the stillness of mind, which is outcome of concentration due to prolonged meditation. In this stage, one can achieve deep rest, and it is the first step towards Samadhi. Number 8. Samadhi. Last limb of yoga is Samadhi, which is absorbed in supreme consciousness. There is no stage beyond that. The awareness that one is meditating disappears, and what left is pure consciousness without any discrimination. No illusion of separateness exists at this stage.